Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode where today we're reviewing an anti-shake stabilizing selfie stick. And you guys are currently watching CrewElite. In today's episode, we're reviewing a selfie stick from the company Elegiant. And let me just say that this selfie stick is actually 3-in-1 features. One being it being a selfie stick, obviously with the name. You can also use this as a tripod. It has a flashlight built in, so you guys can use this with videography or photography even. There's also built-in stabilizers, so like when you're moving and shooting videos with this selfie stick, the camera, or should say the video, is going to be more stabilized. And you can actually use this selfie stick with GoPros, your phones, or even DSLR cameras, which I don't recommend because it might be a little too heavy. But you are able to do that with this selfie stick. But before we get into all the juicy details about this selfie stick, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on, especially if it's your first time watching one of my videos. If you guys enjoyed this video after watching it, I would greatly appreciate it if you went down below and left a like, as that greatly informs me and keeps me updated. If you guys are enjoying this tech series, leave a comment if you have any inquiries whatsoever about this product. Follow us on our various social media platforms if you need to get in contact with me. And then also our business inquiries email is CrewElite@outlook.com. You guys can contact me, or if you're a business owner or a company owner wanting a product review, you guys can do so by reaching me out with that business inquiries email. And then lastly, if you guys actually want to get more information about this selfie stick or want to make a purchase, product information and also the link to purchase this selfie stick will be down below in the description for you guys to check out and get more information about this selfie stick. But right now, what we're going to do is actually move on to the first look and unboxing portion of this video. As you guys can see, well, this selfie stick has a really nice packaging to it. Even as I spin it around, you guys can see they really went all out with the packaging, which looks really nice and presentable. So what we're going to do is actually move this onto a secondary camera angle so you guys can have a closer shot at this product. But as you guys can see on the front of the box, it just says Elegiant, and this is actually a picture of the selfie stick folded up, and it says all-in-one selfie stick tripod, and it can capture every perfect moment. But as you guys can see on the back side, it just gives you guys a few specifications and also what this package includes. You guys can take a pause and read that. But what we're going to do is actually proceed to unbox this selfie stick. So I'm going to open up this flap, pull back, and kind of pull these tabs back. There we go. And what I'm going to do is actually kind of move this box off to the side. So inside this little box that they put all the accessories in, you guys can see in the middle is our actual selfie stick. And you guys can see it has a really nice design to it. We also got our grip handle for, you know, when you want to stabilize videos, which looks nice and presentable. And then on this side, this is where we have our flashlight, I should say, that this selfie stick has. We do get our, I'm pretty sure this is our GoPro mounts and auto camera mounts, that if you want to put this selfie stick into use with you know, auto cameras and stuff, I'm pretty sure that this is the mount for it. But I'm going to put it off to the side as well. Inside the packaging, we do get a micro USB cable, and it's a pretty small cable, but it will do the trick if you're needing to charge up this selfie stick. Put it off to the side for now as well. And then basically all that's left in the packaging is our user manual. And I recommend that you guys read this user manual, as it's going to give you guys a lot more information and details when setting up this selfie stick. This is actually everything that's included with the packaging. So you guys can see right here is actually where our charging port is. This is our flashlight I was talking about earlier, and there is a button for that on the side right here. I'm pretty sure if we hold it down it will turn on, but I'll show you guys that feature when we move over to the testing and demonstration portion of the video. We got the handle, which, you know, moves really nice and smoothly. And then also with this selfie stick, it's also a tripod, which I'll show you guys, like I said, earlier, or I should say later in this video. This is where our remote is, so you guys can utilize this, connect the Bluetooth and connect it to your phone so that you can use this as a shuttle and, you know, take pictures on the go a lot easier without having to actually go over to your phone and clicking on the take picture button. So what I want to do is actually move over to the testing and demonstration portion where we test out this selfie stick. And since this is a selfie stick that's also a tripod, it's going to be really interesting when we test this out. So I'm going to have to do a little bit of this demonstration outside so we actually have more space to work with. But as you guys can see, this part kind of goes up, and this is where you actually put your phone in. So if you want to tighten it, all you need to do is tighten it from this knob that is on the side right here. Tighten it up, and then you can easily just slide your phone in with this grip. Make sure you don't put your hands in between like I just did almost and decapitated my own hand. But make sure, you know, just, you know, when you slide your phone in, just to be careful. So in my case, what I need to do is just kind of turn off my phone, slide it in. You guys can see my phone fits perfectly. And now I can hold up the selfie stick just like this, and now I'm ready to go. So right now, this is like the most compact that this selfie stick can actually go to. So we do got a handle, so you guys can use this like for video stabilization. And there is also a weight bearing on the bottom. I don't know if you guys can see that. It makes it a lot more stabilized when you're shooting videos outside. As you guys can see, my phone's not really moving around that much. You see that? Even when I'm moving really fast. But obviously we're going to test this out outside, and I'll show you guys a demonstration. We do get legs on the side of this tripod, which I'm going to take out and show you guys. But we got these legs, but when you set them down, you guys are going to realize they're not really holding up the phone. So what you need to do is there's a switch on the bottom of the selfie stick, and you need to switch it all the way to the left. Once you do that, now when you set it down, these selfie stick tripod legs actually stay intact and actually hold up the selfie stick. So make sure you just swap that switch over to the other side, and the selfie stick tripod legs will actually do its job. But I really do like this selfie stick, and since this is a selfie stick, well, you can extend it. So I don't know how much I'm going to be able to show off of the main camera, but like I said, when we go outside and test this out, you guys are going to be able to see the full extent of this selfie stick. So like right now, this is the largest, or I should say the highest, that this selfie stick is going to go. And what I'm going to do is actually place this on my floor. You guys can see, you can still see my phone from the floor. So the selfie stick tripod does do its job. I'm not exactly sure what the size of this selfie stick is. And then since it's a selfie stick, let me actually put these legs back up, just like that. And now you guys can see I'm holding it up as a selfie stick. Look at that, guys. Like, since I'm using a wide angle lens, you guys are able to actually see the whole selfie stick. But you guys can see how effective this selfie stick can really be, especially if you're wanting to like capture a lot of moments or do a lot of vlogging and stuff, or kind of capture things from a distance. You guys can do so with the selfie stick, and you guys can see the area it's able to cover. Luckily, I'm using wide angle lens, so you guys can see the whole thing in one shot. But it looks really nice. Look at that. Really good. So this selfie stick is like 3-in-1. It has many different features it's able to actually bring to the table. There is one last feature I want to show off before we actually demonstrate some of these features that this selfie stick has outside, which is this flashlight. So there is a small little flashlight or a little light that they included with the selfie stick. So you guys, you know, want to make videos at nighttime, you can do so with this selfie stick. So in order to turn it on, you basically gotta like tap it continuously. So I'll show you guys. So you guys can see there's many different modes. So like this is the brightest, and it just resets. One is the lowest. That's the medium brightness, and then this is the brightest it can go. But if you wanted to actually use this selfie stick with your GoPro, because it's actually, you can actually use your GoPro with this selfie stick, which is amazing. They included these things, not things, but adapters that I showed you guys earlier with the unboxing portion of the video. And let me just take it out inside of the bags. All you need to do is take this, I don't know if you guys can see that threaded base. All you need to do is attach this onto this part right here and kind of just screw it in. So, and now if you have like a GoPro or something like similar to a GoPro, you can just attach that GoPro or whatever action camera you may have, and then take this and just kind of screw it in, and the GoPro is going to be attached, and now you have a self-stabilizing GoPro action camera or whatever you're using, and you can also use the tripod legs that are included with this selfie stick. So this selfie stick is very versatile, but right now what I'm going to do is actually include a clip of me using this outside and showing off a few of the specifications and features so you guys can actually see the full scope of this selfie stick. Alright, so we're currently outside and we're going to actually be testing out this selfie stick. So if you guys wanted to use this selfie stick as a normal selfie stick, all you need to do is extend this part of the selfie stick just like this, and now I can actually use this as a normal selfie stick. And you guys can see it is a pretty long selfie stick. You can use it to, you know, use on vacations or when you're out with your family and stuff. You can use it to take pictures and take videos, or whenever you want to capture a lot of people in one frame, you can do so with using a selfie stick like this. You guys can see it's pretty long. I think it's about almost 3 feet long, so it's a pretty decent distance. And you guys can see now I can start vlogging or start doing a bunch of stuff with this selfie stick. Another thing about this selfie stick tripod is you can also use it as a tripod. So if I wanted to use this as a tripod, all I need to do is open up these legs up, and you guys can see if I open up these legs, all I need to do is lock up these legs. Now, I know it's a little windy, but I want to show you guys this really quick. I can extend this part of the selfie stick, and as you can see now, I can set this on the floor and I can use it as a normal tripod. So that's also a nice thing about this selfie stick. Let me collapse that real quick though. And then the last thing that this selfie stick tripod actually has to offer is that self-stabilizing stick that it has. So if I wanted to, I can actually use it to stabilize video footage. So if I wanted to now, I could just hold this down and it's gonna keep my video of my phone I'm capturing a lot stabilized and a lot more smooth than if I didn't use one of these self-stabilizing selfie sticks. So that's the good thing about using this 3-in-1 selfie stick. So, what are my final opinions and remarks about this self-stabilizing selfie stick? Let me just say that this selfie stick is truly amazing when it comes to all the features and capabilities it has. You know, it being a tripod, it being a selfie stick, it being a self-stabilizing, like, you know, little gimbal that you can use around. You can put your phone onto it, you can put action cameras onto it. It's honestly such a very versatile selfie stick, you know. If you're gonna get a selfie stick, get one of these instead of, you know, just those traditional selfie sticks, because this has a lot more features than, you know, those kind of selfie sticks. So definitely check this out if you're in the market for some self-stabilizing selfie sticks. And I'm really impressed with the overall build and construction. I also like how they included this weight. This weight actually is what's helping with the self-stabilizing. You know, the stabilization does work perfectly fine. And I did forget to show you guys this for some reason, but if you wanted to, you can rotate this and have your phone going up and down in portrait mode. I completely forgot to show you guys that, but you are able to do that. And then the great thing too is if you wanted to, you could have this facing on the back so that you kind of like shooting video, you know, and still can stabilize that video shot as you're getting that shot or whatever you're trying to capture. So overall, it's a really decent selfie stick. I reviewed another selfie stick in the past, but I do got to say that this is far better than the one I reviewed in the past when it comes to the options and also the features that this one has, especially with this threaded what is it called, tripod mount. I mean, it allows you to actually mount like lights onto this. You can mount GoPros, action cameras, or any small kind of cameras. Even camcorders, I'm pretty sure would do perfectly fine with this selfie stick. Just don't put anything too heavy. So DSLR cameras, I'll probably stay away because I don't think this selfie stick will be able to handle that kind of weight. But other than that, it's overall a really nice selfie stick, and I don't really have anything to complain about. But that is going to conclude our video for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode. I know I did making it, but before we actually wrap up this video, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on, especially if you're new to this YouTube channel. Have any questions or concerns about this selfie stick, make sure you guys go down below and leave a comment as I reply and read every single comment I do receive. If you guys enjoyed this video after watching it, I would greatly appreciate it if you went down below and left a like, as that just greatly informs me and keeps me updated if you guys are enjoying this tech series. Follow us on our various social media platforms to stay connected and also get updates whenever we do upload. Our business inquiries email is CrewEliteyt outlook.com. You guys can shoot me a message if you want to potentially work with me, or if you need any photo assistance with the selfie stick, you guys can do so by contacting me through that business inquiries email. And then lastly, product information and also the link to purchase the selfie stick will be down below in the description for you guys to check out, especially for those who are thinking about making a purchase or getting more information about this self-stabilizing selfie stick. But that is gonna wrap up our video for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode. I know I did making it, and I'll see you guys all on the next episode. CrewElite signing out. Thank you guys all for watching, and have a good rest of your day.